Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to pay using Venmo balance. So first thing that you will do guys is simply go ahead and open up the Venmo application into your device, and now from here just simply log in into your account. And guys, since Venmo doesn't allow a screen recording in the application, it's just showing a black screen, so I'll just show you a step-by-step guide, so just simply follow along. So now, once you are on the home page of the app, just simply go to the home and go to the top and select the search button. And from there, just simply provide the name that you want to send the Venmo balance with. So just simply provide the name. And after that, just simply select their profile. And from there, down below, on the right side of the screen, you should be able to see the blue icon with a coin and pencil logo. So just go ahead and tap on that. And from there, just simply provide the amount and just simply select pay. And from there, a drop down will show up and just simply select payment method as pay with balance and just tap on pay. So guys, remember that you have to verify your identity in order for this to work. So in order for you to identify your identity, just simply go to the me icon at the bottom of the screen on the right side, and at the top you should be able to see a gear icon the top right side. And after that, just simply scroll down and go to security and go to identity verification. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.